Okay, so today we're going to talk about putting THHN wire around the screws on a light switch and how to do it without the strands fraying out and being a mess. And my mom told me when I was a little baby, I used a spatula standing on the floor to turn the light switch on and off. And I'm going to show you how to wire it with a stranded wire THHN. Okay, so they pulled a red and a black down from the light fixture, and we're going to hook the switch up. Now I'm going to show you with this scrap piece here what happens when you just put the stranded wire around the screw and how it will fray out on you. See how they fray out and they don't make a real good contact? So what we're going to do is I'll show you how to do it. Okay, you just strip just what you need to put around the screws, like that. And then you'll take another very small piece like this, just squeeze down with the proper wire hole size. Bring the insulation up to the end just like that. Just like that there, so that end piece will hold the strands together so they don't fray out. Here in the country I'm born in, red, black, and blue is the live wire, and the white is the neutral. So if you're using the white as a live wire in a switch loop, you have to mark it with black or red electrical tape. So we're going to twist those strands together, and we will go ahead and make our connections. You want to make sure none of the insulation is under the screws. You want to make sure that only the copper is under the screws. See, I gotta get that closed a little bit better there, like that. See how I got my loop closed better? See, that's starting to fray up a little bit, so what I gotta do is I have to back this up. Now that insulation is holding those strands together, so I'm gonna have to take this off, straighten it back out, and I'm gonna just hand twist my strands together, make sure they're all together. And I want to make sure I don't lose that insulation on the end, because that's what's going to hold my strands together. Okay, I got to pull that back some here. There we go. That's what we want right there. So I'm going to have to pull back a little bit like that. With these two fingers I'm pulling it back. There, now we have a nice connection around the screw. So now we'll take our ground wires and we'll hook our tail up to go to the green screw. So we'll take about that much off of the ground wire. And we'll twist our solid wires together here. Get them nice and tight and even. Then we'll cut this end off so it's even here. And we'll take our ground wire, get the strands so that they're even with the end of the solid wire there, and we'll just put our wire nut on like this. And we have our loop here, and we'll put it around the green screw. Now with 277 volt wiring, you want to make sure the switch says 277 volts on it. So that is what you want there, a nice connection like that. Peace. Thanks for watching.